Alright, so I just want to do a little quick video so you can see how to put this piece of shit together, because the instructions suck ass and you're gonna have to take it apart and put it back together a couple times. Anyway, so the first thing we're gonna put together is this piece, the long piece, and you can see how it attaches to the door. So they do attach with little clips, which you can see right there. And that is like the easiest part of the instructions, to be honest with you. Step 1, C, D, and B. Like so. So anyway, once we put that together, you're gonna have to figure out which way this netting goes, and it's a nightmare. As you can see, I've got to redo every single one because I have no clue. But the main thing you're gonna look for is the bar at the top here. This is where the first piece of the mesh connects, and it's got to say top. So, and you're gonna put the bracket on that side because it stays in place. So you got this, you put this piece on, and then you screw it in. So that's how it stays. It might be a little bit loose, but it's not coming off, which is fine. So the first piece of mesh goes there. Now all my meshes were off, which I was like, how the hell does that work? So I'm having to take every single one off and raise it higher, which I'm in the process of doing right now. So again, that part is going to be top, facing out. You can see the way this goes because that's how it sits on the door. And other than that, when you're putting it together, don't tighten everything up all the way because it's not great. But anyway, I think after I put it together, I'll be happy with it. Seems pretty sturdy compared to my girlfriend's current one, which is a piece of crap. These things are, this thing is like $15. This thing is like $30, so definitely worth it, except for the shitty instructions. All right, thank you.